Hey guys, latest news with Crypto Marine local and international. In another tense hearing, Judge Boasberg says Trump's use of the Alien Enemies Act has frightening implications. U.S. District Judge James Boasberg vowed on Friday to find out whether officials in the Trump administration violated his orders temporarily blocking the use of an 1798 law for deportations by refusing to turn two flights around last weekend. I will get to the bottom of whether they violated my order, who ordered this, and what the consequences will be, Boasberg said near the end of an hour-long hearing over whether he should lift the pair of orders he issued last Saturday. The comments come as Boasberg, the chief judge of the federal trial level court in Washington, D.C., moves closer to deciding whether the administration flouted his orders when it allowed two flights carrying migrants being deported under the Alien Enemies Act to continue last weekend, despite his verbal comment that the government immediately turned the plans around and halt the deportations pending a legal challenge. Boasberg, an apprentice of former President Barack Obama, appealed and since on Friday over how the Justice Department has handled the fast-moving case, opening the hearing by tearing into the tone the administration had taken in some of its court filings. You see, this is America. There is rules and regulation that need to be followed. There is something called due process. Those people, whether they are criminal or not, they are to be going to court, have a hearing, hear what the judge decided to do. Deport them or stay here under a certain circumstances. The fact that the Trump administration feel like, okay, we are above the law, we are going to do whatever hell we feel like doing. He said that the people voted for him. He's the president. He's above the law. Nobody can tell him what to do. There is consequences that can happen, that will happen, and hopefully people can learn. You are not above the law. Nobody's above the law. This is America. Rules and regulation are to be followed. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.